Georgia, wrap me up in all.
Hello dear, syempre unang-una yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya, gwapong-gwapo, syempre napakabait, tsaka sobrang maalaga. Hindi niya ako pinapabayaan. After 10 years, ito na tayo. Sana pagkaroon natin ng sariling pamilya, tuloy-tuloy pa din at andito lang ako lagi sa'yo, nakasuporta. I love you.
I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Gusto ko kay Marisa, napaka-thoughtful niya. Thank you very much sa love and care mo. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita. Naging thankful ako sa 10 years na magkakilala tayo. Sa thick and thin, hindi mo ako iniwan. Maraming salamat.
I would rather die than let you go. Juliet to your Romeo. How I heard you say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Sa thick and thin tayo magsasama. Kahit numipis na yung buhok mo, tulad ng buhok ko, tayo pa rin isa-isa. After 10 years, naging malakas tayo. Yun, nakinasal tayo. We'll continue until death of our life. Love you.
Paolo, dear, sabi mo nga 10 years na tayo. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang. Alam ko madami tayong pagdadaanan, pero alam ko naman na magtitiwala tayo sa Diyos at makakaya natin lahat. At pagtitibayan niya yung pagsasama natin at tandaan mo na lagi kitang susuportan sa lahat. Love you.